Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install PHP on Windows 10. So as you can see, the first thing I want you to do is just come to this website here, which is php.net. As you can see, this is a website where I made. So now come to download here. Click on download there, and then this page should open up. Since we are on Windows, like I said, I want you to come up here, click on Windows download. The first here up here, make sure you click on here, and then this page should open up here, right? So these are all the version of PHP, right? They will open up there. So for me, I'm going to be choosing a 64-bit since I have a 64-bit. If you are on 32, make sure you choose 86. So I have a 64-bit, so I'm going to choose this thread safe here. Make sure you choose this thread safe, right? Don't choose the not thread safe, choose the thread safe, and then just click on this zip file here. So this is what you are going to be downloading. Click on that, and then it should start downloading. So the moment it's done downloading, just try to find it on your computer, where you keep all your downloads. I keep mine in my downloads. As you can see, it's here. So this is the file that you downloaded. Now the next thing I want you to do is just right click on it, then I want us to extract it. So click on extract file, right? Click on that, and then this should open up. Now I want to put it where I want to put it. Just delete all this and then just leave CSS. Now I want to create a new folder for that, so I'm just going to give it a PHP name, right? That is where I want to keep it. Now make sure you press OK, and then it will start extracting. Right, now it's done extracting, so go and find it. We know we kept it in our local drive. If you come in here, we got it right here, right? This is the PHP that we just created, and if you open it, as you can see, we got all these files in here. These are all the files. Don't try to change them or anything, just leave them as they are, right? So yeah, we created that. Now that we are done with that, the next thing that I want us to do is just do something that we call configuring our window path variables. And what that means is we have to tell our window that our PHP is inside this folder. So we have to tell our window that we have PHP in this folder. So what we have to do first is just come open up your window tab there, your start menu, and then just start typing environment. And then this should open up here. As you can see, you got this. So edit system environment variable, right? So just click on that to open it, right? And then this should open up. So come down here to where it's written environment variables, click on that, and then this window should open up. Now I want you to click on path. Click on path there, and then just come to edit, right? And then this window should open up. Now I want you to click on new. Click on new, and then what I want you to do is create your new path. So just the capital C and then colons, and then there's you got that, and then give your PHP folder there. So you are telling your window that no, our PHP is inside this root folder here, our C drive, and then the folder PHP, right? That's what you are creating. Now that you're done with that, just press OK, and then press OK again, and then OK, right? You're out. Now the next thing that I want us to do is just to make sure that it's working, that our path is working perfect. So to do that, I want us to come to your start menu again, and then I want us to search for CMD. Search for CMD. Just start typing CMD and then Command Pro, right? Just click on that and then open it, and then this Command Pro should open up. So if you don't know what Command Pro is, technically Command Pro is just a way we can interact with the computer using a text command, right? So once this open up, the next thing I want you to do is just type echo small caps, and then put your percentage. Make sure you put space, percentage, and then caps of PATH, which is path, in capital, and then add your percentage, right? Echo in small cap, put space, and then your percentage, PH, PATH in capital letter and then add it with a percentage, right? And then just press enter. Right now, if you look closely, your PHP should show up here. So if it's not showing up, then you did something wrong. So if it's showing up, you are on the right path. You did everything that's needed to be done. So your path is here, so it should show up there, right? Perfect, you got that. Now that we confirm that our path is okay, we just have to make sure that our PHP is running. And to do that, just come down here, just type PHP small caps, put space, and then add a hyphen, and then a small v, right? PHP small cap space hyphen and then a small v, right? And then just press enter, right? And then this should be showing up here. So it's showing you that now your PHP that you got running is this version here, right? The new version of 7.4.12. That's the version that you got running of PHP that you got running. And now if this show up and it's not giving you any error, that means you installed PHP on your window perfectly. And yeah, you are done. That's all you needed to do. So yeah, with that being said, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Now if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So yeah, that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.